Hi, I am Payal Mazumdar from Lexus and Company. Today we talk about what is bail and its types. First of all, what is bail? Bail as an expression can be said as a security for release and process of bail is a judicial proceeding to prohibit the arrest of the person. If the offence is non-bailable in nature, the power to grant bail is vested in the magistrate only. These offences are of high gravity and heinous in nature. For example, rape in 375 of IPC, murder in 302. On the other hand, for bailable offence, officer is chargeable has power to grant bail to the accused person. For example, of bailable offence are some voluntary causing hurt in 3 to 23 IPC and defamation in 499 of IPC. Now, what are cognizable and non-cognizable offences? The offences in which the office police can take the person into custody without a warrant and can bring investigation without the permission of the court are termed as cognizable offences. An offence that less serious in nature is termed as non-cognizable offence, whereas the police officer cannot take a person in custody without the warrant and start an investigation. What are the types of bail? First is surrender cum bail. Here in this type of bail, it is important for the accused to be present during the bail proceeding in the court. In the procedure, if the application of the accused is dismissed after the conclusion of the arguments, immediately he is taken into the custody. Second is anticipatory bail. In this type of bail, it is not necessary for the accused to be present inside the court during bail proceedings. He is represented by his advocate or counsel in the court. When the application of the accused for an anticipatory bail is dismissed, he is not arrested or taken into the custody of the police. If the application for anticipatory bail is dismissed for the session court, accused can approach to the concerned high court. After, if the high court dismisses the application, accused may file the application for anticipatory bail to the Supreme Court, and presence of the accused is not compulsory thereto. Thank you all. If any of the queries regarding this topic, please let me know in the comments.